What's up guys? Welcome back to Absolute Guitar Avenue. Today's video I'm going to show you how to play Ozzy Osbourne's Goodbye to Romance guitar solo. This is one of his more melodic songs. But hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to play it, then I'll break each section down. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first section, what he's doing, he's on the D string, 7th fret, and he's doing a hammer on it. So like this. He does the same thing on the G string. And then just 7th fret on the G string. So it's like this. That's the first phrase. So try it. Now the second phrase, he slides from the 9th fret on the G string to the 11th, and then from the 11th to the 14th. So all together, and then he goes down to the 15th and 14th fret, he does a pull off on the high E string, and then the 17th fret on the B string. So that, the second phrase altogether is like this. So both of them together, first phrase and second phrase, sounds like this. Now the third phrase sounds like this. So what he's doing there, pick the 14th, hammer on the 15th, pull off to the 14th, then 17th fret on the B string, and then 14th onto the high E. So slowly, all three together, slowly. And the second part of the third phrase is 17 on the B, 15, 14, then whole step bend on the 17th on the B string, 14th on the high E, and then 17 back on the B, no bend. So that third phrase all together, slowly. That's the first three phrases. Now this fourth phrase, probably the hardest part of the solo. So it's high E string, 14, 15, 17. Then pull off to the 15, 14, pull off. To the 17, the B string to the high E string. Then do the same thing on the B string, pull offs. Then hit the 16th on the G, pull off to the 14th, hammer on, and then 14, 15, 17 on the B string, and then 14th on the high E. Now the fifth phrase, all together now. The fifth phrase 15-14 pull off, then 17-15 pull off, 19-17 pull off, 21-19 pull off, and it's 2 times each. So slowly. Then what he does, he bends a whole step on the 21st. Then after that, he just pulls off. And then plays the 22nd fret on the B string. Then the 19th on the high E. So altogether that phrase. Does a whole step bend on the 7th, on the 9th. He does a whole step bend on the 9th fret on the G string. Then 7, 7. It's called a rock cliche. So it's whole step bend on the 9th fret, and 7 on the B, 7 on the E. Then he pulls off from 10 to 7 on the B string. And then 8-7. So it sounds like whole step bend again on the 9th fret on the G string, and 7th fret on the B, and then just pick the 9th fret. The whole phrase goes like this. Half step bend on the 9th fret and the high E. Release it, pull off. Then 10 on the B string, 7 on the high E, back to the 10 on the B. So slowly. And then 8, 8, pull off, 9, 7 on the G, then 6, 7, 9 on the G, and 7 on the B. 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 9 on the G, 7 on the B, 7, 9 on the G, and then 6, 7, 9 on the G, and then 7 on the B. So those two phrases together. And then the fast 3-note run. The G string 14, 16, 18. Then 15, 17, 19. Then 14, 15, 17. And then pull off 17, 15, 14. And then 17th on the B. And then 14th on the high E. And then what he does, he plays the 15th on the B string and the 14th on the high E string together. That's how you play Ozzy Osbourne's Goodbye to Romance guitar solo, broken down. So if you got value out of this lesson, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I come out with any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.